Hey friends, and welcome. I am cheesing because I literally just unboxed the July ice cream beauty box. Holy guacamole. The swatches, my lipstick is in there. Like, I'm sorry, it just boggles my brain. Like, your girl's got lipstick and an eyeshadow palette. Oh, you didn't know? Let me show you because I'm going to talk about in every mother trucker video. Anyways, hi, hello, and welcome. My name is Rhonda. Over here we embrace the hot mess. Your girl gets all kinds up in her feels. And my eye is switching now. We embrace it. We embraces it, and we keep it cute or put it on mute, okay? Anyways, shout out and thank you to my YouTube members. You don't have to help support the channel, but you choose to, and I appreciate each and every single one of y'all. Those of you that decide to click that thanks button and tip the channel, thank you guys. I see you. I appreciate y'all. And today, my friends, we are unboxing the July Boxycharm by Ipsy. They also offer the Ipsy Glam Bag, Boxycharm, which is this one, Icon Box, and Refreshments. I do like the new box. I did not get to make my choices, and I'm filming this on, what even is today? Oh, it is July 12th. And with that being said, I didn't make my choices, and I feel like the box came faster. I don't have high hopes for this box. If you guys saw my PR unboxing, I kept it 100 with you all, and I was very disappointed. I was very upset. Okay, so right off the bat, it's still taped shut. I'm not trying to show my information, but there's like 2 seals on here. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, here's what it looks like. We do have a pamphlet in here this month. Let's check the dunnage first, okay? Let's just check on packaging. Wow, that's my packaging. I mean, ice cream beauty box, just FYI, I've got this, like, I get peanuts. And guess what I don't get? Broken things. Just saying. Okay, so we do have the Boxycharm Great Escape little magazine. Hey, Ipsy, I'm about to get real mother trucking sassy. I'm a little tired. My husband came to bed late last night. I don't sleep good until I have his body next to mine. How about this? Not that I'm like quality control, but if I was, here's what I would suggest. Granted, I don't know what's in my box yet, but how about we maybe do away with these fancy schmancy, because I know the more color in a pamphlet, the more it's going to cost. The more folds in a pamphlet, the more it's going to cost. Real talk, let's be real. How about we take this and maybe look into buying some of these. Because I'd be better with this to make sure, Lord Jesus, it's in here. To make sure this isn't broke, okay? So I have my heart when it comes to Natasha Denona. Boom, 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 boom. Okay, I love Natasha Denona eyeshadow. It was my first ever bougie eyeshadow. Here's the Fizz palette, or the Fizz palette. I'm gonna not open it on this rug because I've got a inkling it's broke. They sent out an email telling us that, hey, send a picture and let us know if it's broke. Well, you know it's broke. You're not putting packaging in here. Okay. Here's the suspense. Okay, so we're already doing better than my PR one. Oh, Lord. Okay, we got 3 out of 5. And, well, hey, you know what? I'm not going to complain. Actually, I'm still not happy, but I feel like this is definitely more salvageable than my PR one was. My PR one was very much shattered. So here's the thing. This palette is roughly around $49. Okay, I'm not going to open it because I'm sitting on, as you guys can see, a white rug. It's a very beautiful palette, very, very pretty. I know it's going to be a great formula because it's Natasha Denona, and that is one of my favorite eyeshadows. Every single mother trucking month, and I know people are watching. They obviously hear us complaining. Stop it. If an indie box can get recyclable peanuts, you're a multi-million-dollar mother trucking company, Ipsy. Just got kicked off the PR list. I can feel it now. I'm just keeping it real. I am a paid customer. I paid for this box. This wasn't in PR. So as a paying customer, what the flip? And somebody did message me and say that Ipsy's offering 25% off at the shop. I don't want to spend more money, and maybe I haven't seen the email, okay, so I could be getting hot to trot for no reason, but I don't want 25% off to make a purchase in the add-on store. What I want is my order to come in not broken every mother trucking month. I either have something missing or I have something broken, and I'm not happy with it, especially when you've got, like I said, a brand that is not a multi-million-dollar company that is doing something right. That's my rant. I will step down for a second. I could come back up. You don't know. You know, I'm a little tired. Next in here we have the Beauty Cropped Lip Cream Makeup Kit. So that's not really, it's a little too dark for me, the liquid lippy. So I am going to just go ahead and put that in a giveaway. I'll just make today's video a giveaway with some extra stuff. If I don't keep everything, or if I keep everything else, then I'll just add stuff to the giveaway. It'll just be a surprise. But this is a set of hydrating liquid lipstick and long-lasting liner. The liner color I feel like I would probably use, but since it's a kit, I'm going to just pass it on to you all. Next in here, I've got the Pure Lease Dragon Fruit Niacinamide Exfoliator. Honestly, I'm not really a big Pure Lease fan. And I know this is partly my fault. Like, I'm really happy I got the Natasha Denona palette. But I just wasn't able to get into my account to make my choices. And when I did, it was like July 4th. And I think even though they extended it, I still got in there too late. So I'm going to go ahead and put this in the giveaway because I've gotten a lot of exfoliators here lately. So I'm going to just go ahead and pass that on to you guys. Next in here, I did get the Oil Control Moisturizer Matte and Hydrate by First Aid Beauty. So this is really nice. I love First Aid Beauty products, so that's really good. It's a hydrating moisturizer designed for oily skin. Actually, I'm going to pass this on to you guys because it's great. It's going to instantly mattify and deliver weightless hydration without clogging the pores. I have, and my kids have, normal to dry skin. So I'm going to just go ahead and pass this one along to you guys as well. Oh, look, we did get one at the bottom. That would have been a little bit better. Last in here, I did get the ID as Dramatic Gold Fit Mask. And see, honestly, I have no clue what my choices were. I know a lot of y'all were like, choices just weren't it this month. This is nice. You at least get 3 masks in here, so that's cool. I know when my kids come, like, have their friends over sometimes, my 17-year-old likes to do, like, little spa days or whatever with their friends. So I'll keep that for them and their spa days. You know, here's the thing. If this had not been broken, I probably would be like, oh my god, I love everything. I mean, okay, realistically, with tax, it does come to about $32 in Kentucky. That does make it decently priced for that, and the sheet masks, everything else I'm gifting. This I'm not happy. I keep giving you a chance every single mother trucking month. Boxycharm / Ipsy. You're really over here making my eye twitch. I don't know. I'm getting real flippin' annoyed because I just don't feel like it's, here's the thing, customer service is great. I've dealt with customer service literally every month since Boxycharm by Ipsy has taken effect. Every single month. I kid you not, every single month. So I will say customer service is good, but I don't feel like I should be having to reach out to customer service every single month. I don't think we should, because I get other subscription boxes, and matter of fact, I don't even have to reach out to nobody. None of them. I don't have issues with shipping. You know why? Because they're putting the proper packaging in there, and I whine and I complain about it every month. And you know what? I know y'all are saying, well, you're doing it to yourself, you're keeping your subscription, because I'm hopeful. I'm not even gonna fib. Boxycharm, legit, 2015, 2016, 2017, 2018. When did Ipsy Glam Bag Plus come out? Boxycharm stayed on top. And there may have been 1 or 2 months where Ipsy Glam Bag Plus took it, because I'd compare it. But for the month, like the most part, it was always freaking Boxycharm. I tell you, I'm just getting real fed up. I'm right there with y'all. Like, this is my $32. I work hard for my money, and I really want you guys to get it right. Like, how are you guys even making money? Okay, I'm gonna just shut my pie hole, because my husband's probably downstairs like, girl, I know, I need to vent. I'm very annoyed right now. I'm very annoyed. So I will end today's video here. Sass, I'll put it away. My family is probably very scared. As far as the giveaway goes, y'all, I will add some more things to this giveaway for you guys. A couple more things. And what I'll do is I will just make a form. It's going to be down in my description box for you guys. And all you got to do is make sure you're subscribed to the channel. Make sure you fill it out in its entirety, and make sure that you read it. Read it at the end. I will never comment that you won, ever. The only way you will know that you won is that products will show up at your door. It's like a little surprise. So make sure you fill the form out in its entirety. I will never contact you other than when everything shows up at your door. It's like a little surprise, a little gift, if you will. So anyways, thank you guys if you watched. Let me know your thoughts and feelings. I ate, so it's not like I'm spicy because I'm hungry. I'm not hungry. I'm just really annoyed. So anyways, let me know your thoughts down below. Did your Natasha Denona come broken? Did you notice that your box came faster because you didn't make your choices? Or maybe everybody's already getting their box. It's the 12th when I'm filming this. I'll probably not have it up for a bit. But anyways, that's my 2 cents. Probably ticked off a lot of the company. But I mean, that's how I feel. You know, everyone's entitled to their own feelings, and I'm not trying to hurt nobody's feelings. I'm just saying, I work too doggone hard for my money to be broken every single month. So anyways, if you do by chance want to sign up for Ipsy or Boxycharm, I do have an affiliate link. Use it if you want. If you don't, I get it. So anyways, shout out and thank you once again to my YouTube members. I appreciate you all. Thank you guys so much. Thank you to those of you that tip the channel. Check me out on my other channel, Hotmess Momma Vlogs, for Curvy Girl fashion hauls over there. Hotmess in the kitchen, Instagram and TikTok. And until next time, kisses from Kentucky. Mwah! Bye, friends.